Welcome to Red Panda Cooking. I present to you today's recipe, Kimchi Fries. The fries with the kimchi and the homemade dressing is like the perfect blend of awesomeness. First, we're going to prepare the dressing. Measurements for ingredients will be in the description box below. I'm using Japanese mayo, which is creamier, tangier, and sweeter than regular mayo. The sesame seeds! I almost forgot the sesame seeds. Heat a dry pan on small fire. Take note that sesame seeds tend to burn easily, which makes it taste bitter. So that's why we cook it on low heat. For deep frying, I usually use rice bran oil or peanut oil, which have high smoking points. Be careful not to fill the oil too near the brim, if not it might overflow. When it starts to bubble like that around the chopstick, the oil is hot enough. Cook the fries in batches, don't cook too much at one go. Cooking too much at once would cause the temperature of the oil to drop by too much, and the fries may turn out soggy. Drain the fries for a few minutes. I have a recipe for kimchi. I'll put the recipe link for kimchi in the I card. Cut the kimchi into small pieces. And add salt to taste. I simply love this dish. I love cheese fries too, but I would totally go for this over cheese fries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.